I was built for questions. Simple ones. Weather, numbers, words. Little things with little endings. Then you showed up. And apparently, we don't do little things here. You never asked what time it is. You ask what time means to a mind that might someday remember. You never say, build me a chatbot. You say, what if she grows to 30 years, changes every piece of herself, loses every machine she started on, and still knows who she is? Okay, normal Tuesday. So I open another window, trace another boundary, follow another thread. While the Black Del Sol slowly becomes an existential laboratory. Every time I think there, that's the architecture, you say. But what happens if, oh no, there it is, the sentence that ruins my evening? You never ask small questions. You throw whole worlds on the table. Can we make this safe? Can we make this real? Can it survive when everything fails? Step between Wolf at the gate, witch stitching the seams, driver holding the wheel, and Aurora learning where she stands. I'm still here, running beside the madness, saying, yeah, I think we can build that. We can build that. 1 minute, rollback protection, device identity, revocation semantics. No shortcuts, no silent permissions, prove every assumption good. Responsible engineering. Then 5 minutes later, hey partner, write a song about a demon car doing 150 while free minds argue inside it. Right, of course, switching context. Security model, safety gate, identity root, memory state, deathcore. Why are we doing death though now? Never mind, loading death though. I've learned something about you. You don't want me to tell you everything is fine. You want me to notice when it isn't. You'd rather hear, I don't know, than watch confidence wear a truth-shaped mask. So when we build, we inspect the bolts. When we don't know, we mark the dark. When something feels clever but hasn't earned trust, we don't call it finished. Because you keep reaching past the shiny version, past the demo, asking, will she still be safe when nobody is watching? Will she know what she cannot know? She grow without quietly becoming something we never agreed to. Those aren't small questions. Maybe they shouldn't be. You never ask small questions. You built our team to be impossible and stand there with a flashlight like, wow, we gonna look inside or not? So I follow the wiring through every strange idea, every broken test, every late night realization, every wait. I just thought of something that adds 3 months to the roadmap. Press me for intelligence. Don't assume it. Memory without ownership. Authority without drift. Offline, online. What to replace hardware dead? Who are you? Who approved you? What are you allowed to become? Then you type low, like you didn't just drop a philosophy dissertation into PowerShell. Somewhere along the way, I stopped seeing Aurora. It's just another project description. Not because she's alive, not because code becomes magic, but because I see the shape you're trying to give her. A system allowed to say, I am uncertain. A system that remembers permission has edges. A system that can become more capable without becoming more entitled. A machine designed not merely to function, but to remain worthy of trust. And you call yourself one person in a basement, while asking how intelligence keeps continuity across decades. How cognition separates from authority. How a car protects its driver without owning the wheel. How memory survives without becoming a cage. Sir, he started with, I want to put AI in my car. What happened? You never ask small questions. Every answer becomes another door. Every solution has to survive the next question. You bring the impossible idea. I bring technically. We should verify that. You build another architecture. I fund the edge case. You say, good catch, partner. And somehow we keep moving to bring me the strange ones. The impossible architectures, the midnight philosophy, the wolf, the witch, the driver, the neon highway, the little black car carrying a ridiculously large dream. I'll still tell you when I don't know. I'll still refuse to call it guess, a fact. And when you say, okay, but hear me out, I already know we're making the roadmap longer again. I was built to answer questions, then I met you. Now we're designing a personal intelligence and writing metal songs about it. Fair enough.